This is BlackBerry Key 2 Quick Review Part 2, an exclusive phone for businessmen. May mga advanced features to like antivirus, BlackBerry Hub for all-in-one messages and emails, flexible and multifunction physical keyboard na hindi mo lang pwedeng i-navigate. Pwede ka ding gumawa ng app shortcut from A to Z. Sad to say nga lang, may mga BlackBerry exclusive apps na hindi na gumagana dahil sa outdated na ito. The camera is also not that good for today's standard. Battery is around 6 to 8 hours. Medyo drainy dahil siguro sa backlight ng keyboard. It was satisfying to click buttons but for me, mas convenient pa rin ang touchscreen dahil mas less ang muscle effort. The performance is decent but expect less. You can still play games in this small screen but due to aspect ratio conflict, some apps may crash but I never experienced it. Maangas pa rin to sa pormahan dahil sa elegant design nito and I think it's very capable phone this 2023. Follow me for more videos. Thank you for watching.